welcome to the video. How are you today? I hope you're really well. I trust you are, and I want to wish you as well a day as you wish for yourself. I'm going to let you choose to make the decision, because in the past I used to say I'd wish you the best day ever, wish you a beautiful day, and I still do sometimes, you know. Wish you have a nice day, wish you a nice day. But what I've found is, like, if you wish people a better day than they're ready for vibrationally, they can't do it, and they just might think, what are you talking about, or something. So, like, I feel the most truthfulness of the matter is, I wish you as much a day you wish for yourself and can have, you know, because I know people who, if I wish them the best day ever, beautiful day, like, that would just go in one ear and out the other. Like, they're not ready for a wonderful day, and they're busy in an unconscious state of victimhood, and that's where they're at in life at the moment, just the same way as I was at that stage years ago also. And I have reasons for feeling unhappy or sad or disappointed or angry. I have reasons for holding a grudge or resenting, and I'm in this vibrational range where I'm having and feeling those things. So I can't have the best day ever, I can't have a wonderful day. There's a lot of baggage and heaviness that I'm carrying. So, you know, there comes a choice. There comes a time where you have a choice, where you're able to choose, and you realize that you do have a choice. You have to come to the realization, or the awakening, the awareness to realize I have a choice. I can stay the victim, telling myself this victim story of how bad somebody else is or how bad life is towards me, or I can choose to let go of these things and get on with my life, feel my emotions, stop blaming my emotions on other people, to realize and accept that I'm 100% responsible for my emotions. It's not what happens on the outside, because the same thing on the outside can happen to 100 different people, and some people can choose to make the best of it, think the best of the people, and have unconditional love and compassion, and live in gratitude, appreciation and celebration, and love their life and have the best day ever every single day. Others will totally be, well, complaining and just living in a state of victimhood energy and frequency. So I don't really usually say it exactly like to people, truly, like, I wish you as good a day as you wish for yourself, but I've written it once or twice, and you know, like, sometimes I wish people a beautiful day and they say nothing in return, like people in this range of holding on to grudges and resentments, and it's a lower frequency, you know, like, so yeah, it's like, at the end of the day, like, I guess I'm going to end this video in a second, but what you really need to take into account is, can you take responsibility and accountability and ownership of your vibrational state, your emotions, your mind, and your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual well-being? Because what's the word? Yeah, we can only be as happy and well as our vibration allows. So yeah, make the choice, no excuses, look after yourself physically, and take responsibility emotionally and mentally and in your actions, and choose to be kind, loving, forgiving, and let go of the heaviness and get on with your life and be the divine being that you truly are deep down. Be your higher self as you wish. So I can't tell you to be it, I don't want to tell you to be it, and I have no power to enforce any type of telling. So I'm not in control of you, you're in control of you. So it's up to you, if you wish, what type of life and emotional state do you want to live in. So obviously this takes inner work, and that's what my videos are here for. But you can choose to live and love in peace, in gratitude, in compassion, in forgiveness, and letting go of grudges, and being happy for yourself and for others, and being kind to yourself and being kind to others. It doesn't even matter if they're nice to you back. It doesn't matter. They hold no power. Remember, that's the whole point of this video. It doesn't matter if, like, somebody slaps me in the face, or, like, blockades my car, or, I don't know, like, robs me, or doesn't say thanks if I give them a present, or whatever. Even if I give them like 20 presents, it doesn't have the power unless I allow it and choose to hold on to the grudges and the resentment. I'm the one with the power of to choose compassion, love and forgiveness, and to let go of the heaviness and the grudges and the density, and to choose to be my higher self, my higher frequency self, and to be kind, be loving. It's true message. Yeah, hope this helps, friends. Lots of love to you. Wishing you a beautiful day, and I also wish you as much choice and freedom as you wish for yourself to allow. And for me, I choose really good stuff as much as I'm able to. Can't be more than I am now, but I can choose to let go and allow myself to float higher, because I'm the only one holding myself down and holding myself back. And that's the truth. It's not somebody else, and it's not something else outside on the outside of the world.